Hey everyone, C-Bullock here, and I logged in yesterday to my Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021 version to a new update. So the new update includes major pan and zoom improvements. I am assuming this is similar to the improvements they made with the crop feature. This is the exciting part. 13 new stylish transitions for spectacular videos. We're going to look at those transitions in just a minute. HT optimization is now faster, and auto-saving now works for portable projects as well. So this is the first major update they've had to the new 2021 version. Previously they had some minor improvements and bug fixes, but the new transitions is what I'm really excited about. So we're going to go take a look at those. So I have them all pulled up here, and the main one, this offset tab here, is all new. So all of these here are new, and then there were some new ones and some of these other tabs here I've got pulled down. So first we have these 3 glitch effects, or glitch transitions. Glitch 1, 2, and glitch 3. They look like this. So there's glitch 1. Glitch 2. I love glitch 2. And 3. So 3 different glitch transition effects there. Then we have some new zooms. So there's a fast zoom in and a fast zoom out. So just a quick zoom in or out. Then we have this entire new tab. So the rest of these, and that starts with offset, which looks like that. And you just have these 4 just go in the different directions for the transition. And then you have these 4 twirl effects. So there's some really nice additions there to your abilities with the transitions. I'm really excited to use the glitch effect, and then this twirl is really nice too. So I did play around a little bit with the pan and zoom. I can't see any major changes, so I'm assuming it is just maybe a cleaner zoom that maintains the video quality better, similar to what they talked about with improving the crop feature when they first released the 2021 version. So 13 new transitions. You can find them in the offset, zoom, and the artistic tab has the 3 glitch effects here. That's it. So I'll be doing some more tutorials next. If you have any requests, put it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Movavi Video Editor Plus tips and tricks, news, tutorials, and reviews.